Welcome. It's been a little while since we've done an update in engineering exploration in 6th grade, and it's been exciting, and I hope the students are sharing with you what's happening with sustainable engineering in our birdhouses. This was the wren house, the model that 8th graders put together and demonstrated and gave us the way on how to do it. Students then did research, created their criteria and constraint list, and then in their engineering notebook made their plan. And here's the first finished product that we've had this year, and it looks amazing. And by winter break, I would say if not all of them, just about all of them will be finished. Take a look at this.
Okay, so we had an assignment in class to build a birdhouse, and our first step was to make a list of criteria and constraints. And then after we made those, we got a sheet of what the whole design is supposed to be based on. And we had one board, and to make this whole birdhouse, and we only had a limit of 14 screws. So we had to be careful of how many screws we used and make sure if we messed up that we could use the least amount of screws in the end. And so after we got our criteria and constraints list done, then we measured all the boards, and they had to be exactly measured so the cuts would be good. But there was also a little scab on the end of the board, and at first, but then we realized if we put a little part of the scab in between each board, then that would get a little more room for cutting, because it was most of the kids in our class first time cutting. So then we cut it, and then after we cut it, and then we started building.
So for the assembly, we had to drill holes in parts that would hold the wood together. So for the sides, one of them moves. So on the one that moves, we only screwed it on the top.
Why does it move?
So that you can clean it out. And then so for the front, you put screws here, 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 and here. And then for the side,
Yeah.
and then
Other
this
side.
one. Which side?
It's this one.
Oh, okay. This one, wait.
It opens up, so then we can clean this up.
And then the roof, the back, the front, and then there's a hole in it.
Yeah.
Birds can get in.
So we're working on our back right now, and then we've screwed in these, and we have the pivot door here.
What's that door for?
It's for taking out and possibly cleaning if like a chick or something dies in there, so it doesn't like leave stuff that other birds don't want. And we're about to put in the floor after we put in the back, so yeah.
So we just started, and it's kind of cool. So today we got it, and we put the concrete, and we did a quality job on the wood for the house. But now we're going to start putting in the screws, which will hopefully we can do soon because it's about to be over.
We're about to put the nail in, but my partner's looking for a drill. My partner's trying to find a drill, but we don't have it, so it's just sitting there. And then all we have to do now is just finish putting it in the floor and finish putting it in the top and the side.